Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? If you grew up hearing this, you're not alone. But is it true? Here's what actually happens when you crack your knuckles. You're stretching the joint and causing gases like nitrogen to dissolve into the fluid around your joints. When the gases form bubbles that pop, that's the crack sound we hear. So, does this cause arthritis? Scientists have looked into it, and multiple studies show that cracking your knuckles doesn't increase your risk of arthritis at all. In fact, one researcher famously cracked the knuckles on one hand daily for over 50 years and never developed arthritis in either hand. So while cracking your knuckles might annoy the people around you, it won't give you arthritis. Myth busted. Follow for more myth-busting science. Bye.